Hey guys, welcome to this video. I am Prajwal from Indie Crypto, and inside this video we'll look at some of the important cryptocurrency updates from India and around the world. Now in my yesterday's video I went ahead and informed you about a scam that involved a BitBNS Telegram admin of scamming a user for ripples worth some few thousand rupees, and I went ahead and informed you about the CoinCrunch investigation where they did manage to find the scammer, and BitBNS also promptly informed that the Ripple has been refunded back to the victim's account. Now the story didn't end there. It looks like the story is continuing. The same person who did dupe the victim for ripples has gone ahead and hacked into the same victim's account, BitBNS account, and went ahead and transferred or went ahead and stole the ripples from his account. CoinCrunch.in have posted a follow-up article on this, detailing on how the hack took place and how they were able to find who the hacker was. And in response to this, BitBNS have also come up with an article informing that the Telegram admin was removed immediately as soon as this particular scam came into their notice, and they are also in a process of taking some legal actions against the scammer. BitBNS have also listed that no other account on their platform was compromised, and they have also gone ahead and listed few of the important security measures that every BitBNS user needs to take to secure their accounts. It's highly important we take security seriously, especially when it comes to cryptocurrency. That is the reason I keep repeating all the time not to store huge volumes or huge values of crypto on your exchange wallets, because these are the kind of things that you would get into. Forget the value of money being lost. Imagine the time, the effort you would have to put to get your own money back. So I would always recommend you guys to store cryptos in private wallets where you have the private keys, and that in that way you will be at least in control of your cryptos, and you'll be in control of the security of your cryptos. Now moving on, BitBNS have also launched a newsroom where they will be updating latest news about the cryptocurrency happenings in India and around the world. So they basically want to also educate people about cryptocurrency, which they will be doing through this portal. The website address is news.bitbns.com. If you guys are interested, go ahead and check it out. Moving on, CoinDelta had a deposit and withdrawal issues from past 2 weeks because of their banking partner having some issues. Now we all know HDFC Bank along with other banks, other major banks, had issues with cryptocurrency where they stopped supporting any kind of cryptocurrency businesses or exchanges. I think CoinDesk was also held up with such an issue. Now today CoinDelta is informing that they will be resuming deposits and withdrawals through payment gateways, and they have certain limits at the moment, saying that the withdrawal fee would be 30 rupees and the maximum limit per withdrawal will be 25,000. So this would be the current scenario, and they've also informed they are looking out on other options as well to go ahead and improve the deposit and withdrawal limits and make sure the trading is not affected by withdrawals or deposits. Moving on, looks like CoinEx is still interested in bringing out other coins as well. Last month and this month they went ahead and launched quite a few coins, interesting coins on their platform, and they want to go ahead and take the users' opinion now to know which coin they want to list next on their platform. So starting today, I think the voting has already ended, I guess, but the poll did start, and I think people might have already voted for their favorite coins, and I'm definitely interested in seeing which CoinX would be offering next on their platform. Moving on, Twitter has become a hub for all the cryptocurrency scammers. Now, there are a lot of fake Twitter accounts with fake names and using the profile pics of crypto developers, crypto influencers, saying scamming people for various cryptocurrencies and cryptocurrency related scams. So Twitter seems to have noticed these kind of scams, and they are going ahead and trying to shut down these fake accounts, and in the process some of the genuine accounts are also being targeted. Now this is a good thing because a lot of people are falling into these scams. There are fake profiles created of Charlie Lee, the founder of Litecoin, Vitalik, who's the founder of Ethereum, and there have been a lot of victims already of these particular scams. So it's high time Twitter comes down hard on them. But yes, there will be some collateral where other genuine people will also be affected, but they might have to go ahead and inform that to Twitter and get their accounts whitelisted. Moving on, the popular Bread wallet is adding Bitcoin Cash for its iOS app. Now, Bread wallet was one of the best Bitcoin wallets that existed for, especially for iPhone, when I used it previously. So it was very user friendly. The interface was very neat, and they did inform that when the fork happened last year in August for Bitcoin Cash, they had released an extraction tool where people who had bitcoins on the Bread wallet could easily get Bitcoin Cash after the fork. But they also announced that they might go ahead and add Bitcoin Cash provided the Bitcoin Cash sustains for a certain period of time and also gets support and developments as well, which Bitcoin Cash seems to be getting because Bitcoin Cash has grown popular around the world, and there are a lot of people who are supporting Bitcoin Cash. So Bread wallet has gone ahead and added Bitcoin Cash for the iOS app, and they're also looking out to add other cryptocurrencies also very soon. The one listed in this article is Ethereum, and they're also looking out to list or add other ERC20 tokens into their wallets as well. So that might happen somewhere this year maybe. So we will have to just wait and see how Bread wallet developers are going to implement that. So those were some of the important updates of cryptocurrency space happening in India and around the world. Hope you liked this video. Hope it was informative. If it was, please let us know in the comments. Please give us a like. And if you're somebody new here, hit the subscribe button and also the bell button so that you get notified whenever we post new videos. That's it in this video, and I'll see you very soon in the next one.